IP, Internet Protocol, and file-based technology. Welcome to the first steps to understanding broadcasting and its inner workings. Broadcast facilities are now under the enormous transition from current digital, SDI, infrastructures to an all IP-based, network, facility. This shifts the whole paradigm of the media delivering to the end user, facility design, and support practices. The broadcasters have been moving to file-based workflows for more than 10 years. It is an end-to-end workflow, from ingest to playout, where digital media is contained in files. The digital videotape only records media digitally, but not as a file. That is why the primary challenges in managing a true file-based infrastructure are people and a process. Using a file-based workflow allows broadcasters to increase productivity, increase flexibility in creating content for multi-channel distribution, with the same staff number, or potentially less. The main operational benefit of file-based workflows is the collaboration it enables between all users and the speed it gives them in doing their assigned tasks. The users range from journalists or graphics to producers and directors. And this cross-functional access to the workflow is disconcerting as the workflow now incorporates both production and business applications. The safety concerns about the content access are overcome by the access management rules and network security. A shared storage along with the availability of both high-resolution and proxy files increase the operational flexibility of the applications. Storage management will help to determine the location of assets and their version control. As the users access, edit, and create the content, a defined approval process alerts those responsible for review and approval. In the digital domain, broadcasters are now able to build the content for linear and nonlinear channels simultaneously. Thus, the content will be distributed across a variety of networks, broadcast, cable, internet, and mobile, to a wider variety of devices, TV, desktop computer, tablet, and smartphone. Incorporating distribution needs into the workflow allows broadcasters to produce content in multiple formats while reducing or eliminating the high cost of repurposing content. The broadcasters, depending on their business needs and goals, decide how they will manage their demand for a file-based workflow. The key is understanding current operations, and assessing roles, responsibilities, and workflows to identify areas for improvement. IP and the broadcast industry. Today's rapid move from high definition to 4K UHD, as well as future moves, will demand from the broadcasters a new approach to building essential production applications, networks, and storage systems. This new infrastructure will have to be easy to expand and upgrade, as well as extremely cost-effective to deploy. It means, it will need to be based on Internet Protocol, IP. As a part of this updating process, dedicated application transport mechanisms will need to be replaced by a converged IP-based infrastructure. Thus, broadcast, media and entertainment production will shift from dedicated equipment to a virtual environment. In doing so, the broadcast industry will finally gain the benefits of cloud-based computing, which increases productivity and agility while dramatically lessening capital expenditure costs. Three key drivers have made this transition inevitable. Ever-increasing video bitrate requirements. Ultra HD bitrates far exceed the capacity of the current SDI technology connection and cannot be carried by existing infrastructure. New standards that break down reliance on proprietary, and expensive, techniques and platforms. Compliance with industry standards and recommended practices allows all parts of the system developed by different vendors to interoperate. 10 Gigabit Ethernet maturity. An ecosystem of compatible equipment exists, and Ethernet is already integrated into a wide range of devices, being widely available at commodity pricing and moving broadcast into the cloud. Further, IP-based networking at 40 gigabit per second, Gbps, and 100 Gbps is already available, ensuring a long future for this technology.